Okay, guys, I'm back out here getting more trucks on honk. We have one coming down already.
It's got like 5 on.
I'm here with my boy Mason here. Yo, we got a whole lot of Jolly Ranchers. Like a whole box of it. No, a whole bag. Oh, the school bus. What the heck?
Group bus.
Alright, guys, we got this truck coming. Yeah! Guys, we got a second truck. Second truck. Wait for these guys to move. Okay, they're moving. What a rage! Guys. Alright, and then this guy. Hey! Yeah!
Dodge pepper. Dodge pepper.
Guys,
And another truck.
got 2 trucks. Yes! Yo, what happened to that car? What the hell? Okay, then we got this guy.
And then another truck.
Oh.